Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news we're about to join the rest of the world in an Omicron sickness wave. But first up, signs that Omicron in the US is about to pass its peak are apparently good. A fast fall away after that is expected. And they say early data on the booster shot shows it should have a long-lasting effect. And the US Conference Board leading index is marginally better for December, and they see the US 2022 real growth at a healthy 3.5%. But the Atlanta Fed's view is that the US economy is expanding currently at a fast 5% rate, and the current blue chip consensus is even above that. All eyes will be on Wall Street tomorrow after a week of sharp retreats. And on Thursday, New Zealand time, the Fed will report its latest signals, which will be watched with unusual interest given the spike in inflation. Canada's November retail sales results were released over the weekend, and they were disappointing. And Japanese inflation came in at 0.8% in December, and higher than for November. But their core inflation rate was still unchanged at 0.5%, although that's a post-pandemic high. And Hong Kong business confidence, as measured by the Hong Kong government, is flat, but at least it isn't retreating. And consumer sentiment is flagging again in the EU as well. In Australia, some key analysts are now saying that the RBA will abandon its current no rate change settings much sooner than anticipated, with rate rises to start in 2022. Westpac sees 2 hikes in 2022 from the current 0.1% and a regular set until 2024. ANZ agrees with Westpac that all this guidance will change at the RBA meeting on February the 1st, which is tomorrow week. And the US Treasury 10-year yield opens today at 1.77%, up 1 basis point from this time on Saturday, and the same level as this time last week. And the price of gold starts today at $1,836 an ounce, and $4 firmer from where we left it on Saturday. And the oil prices start today lower by about 50 cents a barrel at just on $84.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is now just over $87 a barrel. For the week, that's a $2 per barrel increase, however. And the Kiwi dollar will open today weaker at 67.1 US cents. Against the Australian dollar, we're firmish at 93.7 Australian cents, and against the euro, we're a tad lower at 59.2 euro cents. That means our trade-weighted index starts the week at 71.6 and unchanged from where we left it on Saturday, but with a 0.9% devaluation in a week and a 1.6% devaluation since the start of the year. We welcome your feedback. Leave a comment below or on our website. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.